Bulldogs, happy Thursday, happy pre-Friday, happy Friday Junior, all the things. You've got a really light day today. If you did not finish your curriculum assessment yesterday, then you will have time today to get that finished up. All of the directions are still posted on Canvas from yesterday. And then you've got DIY 3 to help you identify balanced and unbalanced forces, and then your level up. You will have your checkpoint tomorrow over balanced and unbalanced forces. So getting that practice in today will be really helpful for you. So in looking at the modules and what you're doing today, you've got DIY 3, identifying balanced and unbalanced forces. It's a quizzes game. Try to make a 100. Use your notes, use your resources. If you do not make a 100, and it's more than just missing one or two silly mistakes, then play it again. You can play this as many times as you need to practice with those questions. And then same thing with the level up. All level ups, you need to try to make a 100 to prove to yourself that you are ready for the checkpoint. So once you finish the level up, you need to click view score to see which answers you got right and which ones you got wrong. If you got them wrong, you need to go back and you need to look and see why you got them wrong. And if you don't understand, then that's when you need to go back to one of the DIYs, like go back to DIY 1 to review over the lesson material. You can ask me, you can message me through Canvas, you can ask the teacher that's in the room with y'all today if you're on campus, and then you can take that level up again. That way you are fully prepared and ready for your checkpoint tomorrow. So if you finish those things and have some time left over, my recommendation would be to check your grades, log into Student Self-Serve and see if you are missing anything. If you're missing any assignments, then today would be a great time to get caught up on those. If you need to retake your quiz from Monday and you have not retaken it yet, then you could do your retake if you have enough time within the class period to get that done. So I hope you guys have a great day. Let me know if you need help with anything, and I'll see you guys later. May the force be with you.